No, jsme zhruba 10 km od Alice Springs a Hela má dneska narozeniny, tak jsme si řekli, že uděláme překvapko, tak jsme nakoupili přáníčko a dortík. No, když už to asi dopsal, tak. Tak co mít?
Víš, co je tohle?
Kamča Hall, vole.
Joy Hall, vole.
Joy Hall, vole.
Very nice beautiful, vole.
Myslíš, je to všechno chytné, vole?
Jo.
Tady máme cake, cheesecake.
Jo.
Přáníčko.
Tam žádné schůzí, jo.
Tak jsme to projeli všechno, dole jsme to tam koukali na tu bordicikánu, co tam je.
Jsme uprostřed Ozy, někde na parkovišti za sebou.
Bez vody.
A piva máme dost, vole.
Pivo jsme nakoupili, gina tolik máme taky a cheesecake taky. Happy birthday.
On kapá ten vosk, ty vole.
Tak let's go, mate. Let's go, 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 go. Ty vole. Tak no singing, guys.
Co?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, lovely Helena. Happy birthday to you.
Já jsem mladší než vy. No děkuji.
Heli, tady máš ještě přáníčko?
Díky.
No ale hele, hrubiček si nevšime, jo. Heli, tak všechno dej.
V angličtině to nepoznám, tyjo.
No já myslím, že máš nejlepší spelling než já.
In every part of your life, from ordinary
A baterie v prdeli.
moments to your favorite dreams. Volete tam, wish you the best please.
No já.
Volete tam, I wish you the best birthday. To se i mi bude nejhůř brejle.
Oka, co?
Volete tam všechno nejlepší k birthday a hlavně to zdraví a stále smích.
Mate.
Míra, díky! Všechno nejlepší, děkuji a teď si foto. Počkej, já jsem zprávila tu šňůru dopředu, jo.
Dáme si
Jo,
společnou
ještě
foto.
tady, hele, kobo.
Správná koubojka.
Jako víš co, pravý australský, jak říká, cowboy.
Jo, já chci foto.
Foto.
Tak já musím vyměnit baterku, mě došlo.
Tak já dám.
Máš hoď tam?
No.
Já, protože já to mám podhelčil dole.
Jo, to je dobré.
Jo, hezky.
Počkej, ještě dám s bleskem.
Ještě s bleskem.
Jo.
To bude dobré.
Je to tam.
No a jdeme to trošku zapít, takže nashledanou.
To bude.
No, tak pánové,
Takže...
teď tvoje rozsvíte. Now switch on the light, man.
Wait. Kalle, you are the present for Hella.
Now I can't see you on the camera, fellas. I can't see you on the camera. Now.
I just want to know. I just want to say you that Hella, that's your present for your birthday.
Exactly, Helena, I don't
see
know you,
the
but
best,
many happy returns of the day. I'm Kalia. Happy birthday, Helena. What a lot of love from Australia, from me, my mate, and Honza here.
Eli,
I'm behind the camera.
Cheers to Helena.
Jak Honza, how Okay, in English, yeah? Because
Speak English because she understands English.
That's
Yeah.
good, yeah.
You know?
So how Honza said, now we're gonna have a drink on your health and on your all the best and everything. So
All the good
Guys.
luck to Helena.
Exactly.
all the best to
Cheers.
Helena.
I like to Helena, vole.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hello.
Lína zdar.
Nazdar.
Všechno nejlepší.
Nazdar!
Chlastáme, vole.
Teď stáve, vole!
Teta vole.
Teta, vole!
So,
Hey,
that's what you wish her for the next year?
I wish all
the
the
next
best
For the next
And the years
and for
to
the
come.
rest. And
And
for
the
the
years
next
to
one,
come.
the next one.
We are really looking forward to see you in Czech Republic and have a fun and everything, and even with traveling or something as used to.
Always good, man.
Yeah.
It's good to travel, man.
Yeah.
It is, man. It's cool.
Especially with these guys, Aunt Helena. These guys are the best.
Because they made all
Trust
of
me,
them.
I
Best
know these
people.
guys only 6 months and they're... I shouldn't say that.
Oh no!
These are guys
Please no!
amazing, man.
We're gonna
Amazing,
start
amazing.
crying.
Full of life.
Don't be so
Nah.
sentimental.
Great, yeah.
Exactly, man.
Really great guys.
We're gonna have another year, you know. If the year, the
It's
following
good.
year, gonna be as half the last year, fuck, man.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Exactly, right.
Was good, man.
Good life.
All of
Why
that.
did you show her the view,
All
man? From, you know, we got
Alright.
such a beautiful balcony and
Beautiful balcony. Who cares about the view? It's like with the people. You know, this one, that's our view, Wale. So,
she lived with you? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
she wasn't in this flat.
Not in this one?
No, not
Because
in
we
this
came
one.
here after
She would have loved this man for sure.
Yeah, of
This
course
is
you
awesome.
would like. Yeah.
Of course, man.
It's a
Beautiful seat, you know.
It is good.
Life is good, Wale.
Life,
is
it's
beautiful,
beautiful,
Wale.
Wale.
It's real life.
Exactly. So, Helena, Wale, happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
birthday. I'll take you, man. If you want to say something.
I never was for the speeches, but Helena, have a good one. The next one and the following one. And yeah, see you in Czech.
Hello, my.
We want to
super
give you
auntie,
like
the
big,
best.
big hug.
And with kids.
The kiss, come on.
Nah,
What
starting
big
to be
kiss.
gay actually, man.
Hey, quit.
Quit.
I told him it's something fucking wrong with it.
It's nothing wrong.
Helena, come back, please.
Ale čo, těšíme se, až se zase jako uvidíme hezky pohromadě.
Good on you, brother.
No, Helena.
Alright.
Take care, man.
From Honza, Miro,
And Pink.
and Pingo. We
That's-
always disturb him,
that's our
but we
flatmate
love
thing.
him. We just love
Because
him.
we just, I
We
know,
just
man.
love
But like
this
we
guy,
making
man.
video for his aunt. She went to travel with us,
You wanna say hello?
and she's gonna birthday
Today.
today, man.
Happy birthday.
Aunt Helena,